from visa sa CCTV, dyan dito sila lumahan.
Dalawa sila.
May klase po dito, sir.
Hindi nila inamin. Anong grade ito?
This is grade 7.
So they're smaller kids?
Yeah, opo.
Okay. Nasaan siya? Anong kaputok siya? Nandito ang position.
Yan sir, yung may mga black white sir na marking.
Maka-ricochet yan, boss.
Saan nakaupo yung bata? Nakaupo yung bata, nakatayo.
Hindi pa namin nakuha
Sa isang-
determine.
When they hear the shots there, may mga tumakbo na dito.
Hindi pa po, sir, lahat nagtakbuhan.
I want to clear with Soho if they tell us because the engineer is here. What I want to do for the students when they come in here, we will change the doors, we will repaint them, not green anymore. We will change it.
Walang ano sa...
Hindi sila magkaroon ng flashback, di ba? So, papaguhin lang natin yung ano dito. You have to do it fast.
Yes,
Kasi
Ito ng students.
Opo.
So, saan nagtago?
siguro doon sa mga ilalim ng table.
So, dito, pumasok siya.
Dito muna siya.
May splinters dito sa mga
Why? Sarado ito?
bukas na.
Open po yan. Kasi hindi po
Ito
yan
sa open?
Hindi na sira.
Hindi na
Nasa
going?
Opo. Kasi nung
Tapos dalawa sa dito rin banda sa
yung kwento ng
While he was doing, nakabonet pa raw. Hindi na.
yung mga bata. Kasi baka gumanon eh. Yun ang atras na din sa akin, mga babae.
Now we have the principal with us, of the engineer and the city police, as well as CDRM. It's very difficult for parents now to raise their children because ang mga bata ngayon mas naniniwala sa social media ngayon kaysa sa mga magulang. Kaya medyo, talagang nahihirapan. Senator, this is my take. So I'm going over with the officials here looking at this and what we can do immediately. And I gave instructions to the police that all the structures, kasi nga sensitive ang school. Meron mga nagre-reklamo eh. Pero ngayon, dahil nangyayari ito, we will have a blueprint of all the schools. Para pag may tawag sa 911 at sinabi nila na classroom 21 sa San Jose National High School in San Jose, alam nila exactly where it is. Because the station that covers that area, all the policemen in that station will know exactly where that is. Where classroom 18 is, classroom 15 is, where the comfort room is, alam nila lahat yan. Sana all regional hospitals will have a place wherein, we can put children like that involved in heinous crime. Just like an asylum based on professionals on what they will say is needed and that's designed should be done. Institutionalize the whole thing. All I want to save our children.
Salamat po.
Thank you for your visit po.
Thank you. Masa po kayo. Salamat po. Nada na nalaman ko.
There's a time. And all of that is going to happen to us. And we don't want a knee-jerk reaction to what happened. So Senator Jenkins, just like what happened in the become so strong that alam na naman especially to comfort those who are still grieving. These apps that are in